Ansible.com. If you're looking for information about the Ansible project, you ended up landing in this page, Ansible.com website, that has plenty of information about the Red Hat Ansible automation platform, but actually it lacks about all the open source part of the Ansible project. Well, there are plenty of information on this page. This is why earlier this year the Ansible community started talking about how the website could be improved, and sooner or later it will look like this. Yes, it's totally different. This is community driven, and it clarifies more about the open source part of Ansible, how to install using the pip installer, what are the pillars, what are the most important ecosystem and project underneath, how the community is gathering together, and how you can contribute. And yes, this is almost ready, as you can see, and this work was a lot of work of a lot of different contributors, and this website, wow, it looks awesome. So let me share a little bit of history. As you can see, you can contribute also to the website page in this repository managed by the Ansible community. So all this project would like to be community first, and as you can see, these look like very familiar for some of you, because it's based on the Python static site generator, the famous Nicola website. It also embraces the latest accessibility guideline, and well, is very up to date. It's very 2023. This project started a while ago in April 2023 with some wireframe, and a big shout to Tina, because as you can see, there was a lot of effort, a lot of discussion underneath the community, and now it looked like familiar. He started working on a lot of images and how to summarize what is relevant for the community people. So if you are curious, take a look on all these long blog posts. Another thing that was very interesting is that the community voted for the tool for static site generator, and based on the fact that Ansible is actually written on Python, it ended up with Nicola, but some other very interesting projects were evaluated. As you can see here, there is the most relevant, like Go Yugos, Phoenix, and Pelican, and the other one. It was a discussion. If you're curious, take a look here. As I said before, it adhered to the latest accessibility guideline, and this is very important, because we would like to have a website as more accessible as possible, especially in today's society. If we're curious, the Ansible community is actually discussing about the website and when to actually make the transition. In this blog post, this is the official Ansible forum where the community joined together, and you can actually talk about everything related to Ansible. So, long story short, soon the official website will migrate from this page to this one, and will be more like open source oriented, more oriented to the community. I really like that on the blog part there is a lot of different articles that actually are relevant to the community. For example, the switch from the Ansible Galaxy traditional to the new Ansible NG, and there is a lot of FAQ. I really like this section that explain the basic of Ansible, the difference between the Ansible community and the Red Hat Ansible automation platform, and many other interesting things. So big shout to this new website. I'm really looking forward for this transition because I think this is exactly what the community need. A website that clarify that this is an open source project, and yes, there is also that automation platform that is a product on top of this that is wonderful for enterprise, for people that need a lot more, but Ansible is driven by people, and this is the best resource. Thank you very much, and let's automate more.